Hey everybody, and welcome back to Beauty's World. So today I have a hack video for you guys. 15 beauty hacks every girl should know. Make sure you stay tuned. Before we get into the video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click that bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. So hack number one is going to be concealer on your lips. You want to add concealer or foundation to your lips because that's going to give you a nice clean canvas so that any color that you put on your lips will pop and give you the true color. The oil gel trick, one of my favorite tricks to do, and this is when you have those overgrown hairs like maybe a mustache or some hair that shouldn't be there on your face or wherever. You're gonna go ahead and put some oil gel there, leave it on for about 30 seconds to a minute. Then you're gonna go ahead and do your plucking, and after that you shouldn't be able to feel all that pain that comes with the plucking. So I think that is a great tip. Don't you just love the feeling of Fix Plus on your face? It makes everything feel so much more refreshed. But also you can use this on your hair, you guys, to tame those flyaways, just like so. So if you want to make sure your eyeshadow is popping, you guys, make sure you use a nice white base or really light colored base, and that's going to make any color pop on you. So if you want to be more vibrant and more standout, use that method. I also like using that same primer to put on my lids whenever my eyeshadows are not sticking well. I will just put it on just like that, put a little bit of translucent powder on it, and then go in again with the color that I'm using. That trick always saves the day. So you want your lashes to stay curl a little bit longer, go in with a blow dryer and blow that sucker up, you guys. Leave it on for about 10 seconds and it should be ready. And this is like the same concept as like curling your hair. You'll be curling your lashes. So toothpaste is not just for gingivitis, you guys. You can also use this on pimples. If you wake up in the morning, you got that big old boil on your face, all you have to do is add a little bit of toothpaste to it that night before you go to bed, and the next morning it should have pushed that seed out and you can heal a lot faster. So if you don't have time to do that toothpaste trick, you could always go ahead and make it a beauty mark, you guys. I use this trick all the time whenever I have a little boil on my face, and I just love that look versus having that bump look, you know? Quick tip on how to stop your makeup from creasing is to add your foundation or a translucent powder before you go in with your foundation. I know it's backwards, but it works every time. Hairspray and a toothbrush. I know those things do not mix really, but here we're going to be using that to tame our flyaways and brush through the hair. So here I'm just showing you guys how I match my foundation and how I match any of my clients. I always match the chest color rather than matching the face color, because you want to have that color flow evenly and not have a two-toned color. Ooh, the perfume in the brush trick. I always use this whenever I'm going out on a date with my husband or whenever I want to feel sexy and just smelling good. You're going to spray that on your brush and brush through that hair, you guys, and it's going to have that hair smelling so good. You guys know the struggle when you have that hair freshly done and you want to add that part, but it doesn't want to stay. Add a little bit of water, brush through it, and your hair should be tamed to keep that part shape. So have you ever tried to pin up your hair and noticed that your pin is just slipping and sliding and falling out? Well, all you're going to need is a little bit of hairspray. You're going to spray it on there, and that's going to give it a little bit of tack so that it will stick to your hair much better. So the last hack I'm going to be showing you guys is another curling hack, and you're going to use that lighter, put it on there, make sure you touch it to make sure it's not too hot, and then you can go ahead and curl your lashes. Alright you guys, so that is it. That is the end of this hack video. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section below. If you have any hacks that you want to share with me, I would love to hear it. Leave it down there, and if you would like, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. Don't forget to check out my latest video and what YouTube thinks that you would like the most. Mwah!